Welcome to Unleashed Inventory Management Training Academy. Today we'll be diving into the AIM Modelling tab, a powerful feature designed to enhance your inventory planning and decision making. The AIM Modelling tab provides a detailed overview of your inventory, helping you set stock limits according to your rate of demand and desired stockholding strategy. Using the Modelling tab, you're able to quickly and effectively ensure that you have enough stock according to your recent trends in customer demand or production levels. Let's explore the Modelling tab and its key features. Product filters. Use filters to focus on specific products, categories, or warehouses. Tailor your view to match your inventory planning needs. Explore the data. The modelling grid displays essential metrics such as rate of demand, minimum stock, maximum stock, lead time, and more. You can customize the columns you want to see to build a custom report for export. Plan your strategy. Configure how much historic data you want to work with, whether you want to hold stock to supply multiple warehouses, how many days of stock you want to hold, and simulate the resulting stock limits and financial impact different strategies will incur. Finalize and set a timer. Make bulk changes to your inventory stock limits and lead time estimates by submitting changes through the modelling page, saving time when planning product ranges. Set a timer to ensure you evolve your strategy as rate of demand values change. The AIM Modelling tab helps you optimize inventory levels. Set accurate minimum and maximum stock limits based on recent rate of demand trends and your chosen strategy. Plan for seasonal demand. Easily review and recalculate stock limits to align with high or low sale periods, ensuring you have the right investment in stock. Streamline Reordering. Bulk update lead times based on recent supply performance to ensure you have enough stock at the time of replenishment to cover the delivery window. Improve cash flow. Reduce excess stock and invest in the right products at the right time. Here are some tips to get the most out of the AIM Modelling tab. Review forecast demand regularly. Ensure your demand forecasts are up to date for accurate stock planning. Leverage historical data. Use past sales data to inform your decisions, especially for recurring trends. Set realistic lead times. Align your lead times with supplier performance to avoid unexpected delays. Test scenarios before committing. Use the Modelling tab to simulate changes before implementing them across your inventory. To start using the Modelling tab, navigate to AIM and the Modelling tab in your Unleashed account. Apply filters, make edits, and refine your inventory parameters to suit your business needs. For detailed guidance, check out our support page or reach out to our support team. The AIM Modelling tab is your key to smarter, more efficient inventory management. Start using it today to take control of your stock planning and drive business success.